If you're seeing an itch.io connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the site is not loading, pages are timing out, or you're getting stuck on a connection issue, these steps can help you get back online and browsing again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons itch.io won't load properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working as expected. If everything looks fine, refresh the page and try loading the site again. Sometimes the issue is just temporary, and a simple refresh can fix it immediately. Next, turn off your VPN if you're using one. In some cases, VPNs can interfere with itch.io connections or trigger access problems, so disabling it and trying again is a smart move. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted cache data can cause websites like itch.io to behave strangely, so open your browser settings, clear the cached files and cookies, then restart the browser and test the site again. If the error still appears, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or another browser and see whether itch.io loads there. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with the site itself or just your current browser. And finally, if none of those steps work, try again later. Sometimes the issue is on itch.io's side, and waiting a little while can be the easiest fix all. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet, turn off your VPN, clear cache and cookies, try a different browser, and if needed, come back later. These simple steps solve most itch.io connection errors without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.